In this video, I want to show you how you can become an affiliate partner for OnePlus. So OnePlus is a phone manufacturing company or a technology company, and they've been gaining a lot of traction in recent times. They make great phones, and even better, they want to pay you some money for helping them affiliate their phones or their items. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get into the OnePlus affiliate program. I'll show you how to join them, how to get the links, and how to actually send traffic to this link for free. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then like this video if it helps you, and subscribe to this YouTube channel if this video actually helps you. So first, for you to do this, you want to come to this website called impact.com. So this is a website where brands list their products and affiliate marketers can come and join these products and earn affiliate commissions. So Impact is quite popular because they work directly with big brands. So if you come here, you want to look for brands. So you come to brands and you click on brands. If you do not know how to join Impact, I already have videos on how to join Impact. I'll put it up here and also in the description of this video, so just check it out. So once you've been registered into the impact.com affiliate marketplace, you'll be able to come here and see different brands that you can work with or want to work with OnePlus because we love OnePlus. So you come here to brand and you search for OnePlus. So you click on OnePlus. So you see OnePlus is going to come up, and OnePlus is popular around some countries. So if you come here, you can see that you can join OnePlus for the US and Canada, and you earn 3% for the online sale API. And what that means is that for all the sales you make for OnePlus, you'll be earning 3% of that. So this is for OnePlus France, this is for OnePlus I think India, and this is for OnePlus UK, and I don't know what that is, and this should be for OnePlus Dutch or Germany. So we are interested in the USA and Canada, so you click on that, and this is where you join the offers. So here you find the information that you need about this product. So this is the 30-day cookie duration. Like I said, you have 30 days, and OnePlus, as though they have an app, but you are not going to be paid for app installs. You are only going to be paid for online sales. So if people install the app through your link, you're not going to earn anything, but you have 30 days to earn for the online sales that they are going to make should they do that. So if you come here, look at the description, you can see the funding rates and all of that. So if you come again, you can view the terms of this agreement so that you can join the OnePlus affiliate marketing program and promote their phones. Again, these are 3% order sell amount. Pay attention, order sell amount. Actions are locked 1 month. Actions are paid 2 months after they are locked. I invoiced 2 months, and this is the last click. And then the referral window is 30 days. That simply means the cookie duration. Again, you don't get paid for app installs. This is the general term and all of that. So if you come back here, to join, you can basically click on apply. You can basically click on apply, and then you can write OnePlus. Give them a small brief why you want to work with them. So let's say I have a gadget review channel, or I talk about tech or stuff like that, and I think that my audience would be the right fit for OnePlus. Maybe I do phone reviews and stuff. So I can come to this place and say, hello, I am Noel, and I create content around tech reviews and stuffs like that. So I'm just going to do a small pitch, and then I'll probably add my YouTube channel because I want them to approve me fast. I'll probably add my YouTube channel and my YouTube channel link and stuff. So if you do not have a YouTube channel link, you can use blogs, you can use social media, as long as you have some audience or you can qualify or prove that you can get traffic to the link that OnePlus is going to be giving you when you join. So personally, I do not want to affiliate this, but if I wanted to affiliate this, I'm going to write a proper pitch to them, and I'm going to put a link. I'm going to put a link to a document in the description of this video of the kind of pitch that you can use, so you can fine-tune this pitch and use it to apply to impact.com programs. All right, so once you have submitted your pitch, you can come here, click on apply, and they are going to go through it, and they are going to basically accept you or not. So let's say if we have anyone that we are pre-qualified for, so we are pre-qualified to join the France campaign, which means we can basically just join this without writing anything. So I'm just going to join this to show you how you get your link and how you can basically promote your link. So I just click on join. I don't need to write anything here because I'm pre-qualified, so I'm just going to say join, and as you can see, the application was auto approved because we are pre-qualified. So if I come here now, I can create the affiliate link. So I come here, I click on create affiliate link. I should be able to find so it's not here, but I will show you another way to get the link. So you can basically click on this and you can try to create a link again. So you can click on create link, and again, for some strange reasons it's not showing. You might just need to give it time, but you can come to more, and then you can go to the promoting materials. So let me show you how to do that. If you cancel this, you come here, you go to the assets, you are going to see all the materials that OnePlus has for you to market this product. So as you can see, they have OnePlus offers and some things. So this is basically a tablet from OnePlus. So let's just use this one. So I can click on that. If you come here, you can find your tracking link. This is also your affiliate link. You can copy it. You can see this ad image. You can put this on your website. I already have a video that talks about how you can put this kind of links on your website. So make sure to check out that video if that interests you. However, you can download these pictures and use them to affiliate or use them to promote this program. So if you download this, you can go to Pinterest or you can go to any social media platform of your choice. So I'm just going to use Pinterest in this case. So you go to pinterest.com, you need to make an account, and then you want to create a pin about OnePlus. So I come here, I click on create pin. I want to talk about OnePlus. So all I have to do is to bring the picture I just downloaded from OnePlus. So this image is too small, so it should be at least 200 by 300. So I have to come back to OnePlus and check if I can find any image that is 200 by 300. So this should work. This is 300 by 250. You can look for a bigger one. So okay, let's just use this one. 600 by 600. You can download this picture and come back to Pinterest, try to add it again and see if this works this time around. So that works. So you can this is where you add your link. So this is the affiliate link we copied. However, this is OnePlus for France. You have to pay attention to that. So you can choose your board, you can tag, you can say OnePlus, you can say you see we have mobile phones here, we have smartphones, we have smart let's say tablets or gaming tablets, graphic tablets and stuff. So you tag it and then you want to add a title. So for me to add a title, I want to see the name of this product again. So I click on that to see this product from OnePlus. So this is a OnePlus Watch 2. So this is the OnePlus Watch 2. So you can copy this and come here and say the OnePlus Watch 2. So you can equally look at some of the description from here, or you can even write a better description yourself. So for the purpose of this video, I just want to keep it as simple as possible. So you can say this, you can write this and say get 50% offers and paste it. So all you have to do now is publish this pin. Now, I do not want to publish this pin because my board doesn't talk about smartphones and all of that, but this is the OnePlus. This is basically how you can promote the OnePlus link on Pinterest. Of course, you want to make sure that what you are promoting is the same as what you've uploaded, because in this case, we can see that this link, although it takes us to the website here, but this is for watches. However, this covers for everything that people buy on the OnePlus website. I hope this video has been helpful. Please like this video. Tell me in the comment section if it was helpful. If you have questions, you can equally ask me in the comment sections. I'll reply your questions. And without out of the way, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. My name is 𝐌𝐚𝐬𝐭𝐞. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.